Spiritual warfare and the Deuteronomy factor. The three principles of spiritual warfare are explained in Deuteronomy 2. To achieve victory, you and I must follow these same principles to the letter. Following them ensures our victory, while disregarding them can spell defeat for us as we go after fulfilling our need. These three principles are absolutely essential for us to follow. Whatever your need, these three principles must be understood. Then they must be employed by you and me to possess the solution to our need. You may need healing, help for a loved one, or improvement in your finances. Whatever your need happens to be, adherence to these three principles will determine your level of victory or lack of it. Now let us apply these three warfare principles. Say you need healing. 1. You cannot peacefully coexist with the devil or his sickness. Moses tried this with King Sihon, but King Sihon would have nothing of it. This resulted in a fight to the death. You see, Moses tried to peacefully pass by Sihon on the way into the promised land. Sihon would not let him pass peacefully. Deut 2:30. 30 But Sihon king of Heshbon would not let us pass by him, KJV. Since Sihon would not let him pass peacefully, war to the finish had to be declared and won. Moses could not peacefully coexist with King Sihon. 2. When you rout the devil on one front, he will come at you from another. They barely had King Sihon sprawled at their feet in total defeat when King Og came at them with a vengeance, Deuteronomy 3:1-7. Nevertheless, be not alarmed at this, because we have the victory guaranteed to us in advance. The victory is guaranteed because the battle is the Lord's. Deut 3:21-22. 21 I commanded Joshua at that time, saying, Thine eyes have seen all that the Lord your God hath done unto these two kings, so shall the Lord do unto all the kingdoms whither thou passest. 22 Ye shall not fear them, for the Lord your God he shall fight for you. KJV. In other words, no matter how many kings come against you, they had to face 7 kings here, the victory is guaranteed by God himself. He said he would do to the remaining 5 what he had already done to the first 2. 3. We must be armed to the teeth at all times. Deut 3:18. 18 And I commanded you at that time, saying, The Lord your God hath given you this land to possess it, ye shall pass over armed before your brethren the children of Israel, all that are meet for the war. KJV. Armed, in this context, lasts until they have completed the taking of the land God promised them. They are to be armed to the teeth until they are at complete peace and rest in the land. See Deuteronomy 3:20. You, too, must be armed to the teeth until you have complete victory and are in possession of your promised blessings. These three principles must be utilized in our fight for the healing of our loved ones. Our objectives are different and our weapons are different. We don't use spears and battle axes in our spiritual warfare to take back our blessings of health, family well-being and prosperity. Our weapons are different, but the principles are the same. We still, however, employ the same three principles given above. We cannot coexist with what Satan has put on us. We are not discouraged when one victory is won and another battle starts. Our victory is guaranteed in advance. We must be armed to the teeth at all times. All this will last until we are in complete possession of our blessings and at complete peace and rest with them. Go for it. Work the three principles. The victory is yours.